Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring a fascinating courses that focuses on the intersection of artificial intelligence and education. This is the AI era for and specifically this is essential for educators to be aware of how to use AI and where they can apply that. So I'll be showing you right from the basics, intermediate and advanced level. That is three courses I'm going to discuss with you, which will be essential for the AI for educators. Whether you are an educator like a professor, lecturer, teacher, anybody who may be like, and if you are looking to enhance your teaching methods or a tech enthusiast interested in educational AI, this course is for you. Let's jump right into it. Before I proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel. So in this channel, you can see a lot of useful playlist. Particularly, I have to emphasize on this particular playlist, which is Skill Up. So in this Skill Up, all the teachers, students, everybody will be gaining a lot of knowledges about the courses, free resources, free courses, internship opportunity, job opportunities, everything here. I'll be posting it. Please have a look here. Okay, let's go and dive into the first basic course. Stay till the end. I'll be telling you how to avail this course for free. Okay, so first one is AI for Education, which is basic by the University Kenisa State. Okay, so here you can see this is a beginner level course, no experience recommended, and it's a 6 hours to complete this course. Okay, it's an online self-paced course which you can learn it in your own pace. Okay, so if you just scroll down, you can see there are three modules in this course. First one is course introduction. What is this course introduction is all about? If you click on this particular thing, it will tell you like course introduction, learning objective, and you will be meeting your instructor and what are the expectations from you. Everything is discussed in the introduction part. Okay, and next is main content. You can see there is two modules, that is 8 hours. One is you will be deciding what document you are going to create it, definitions, what is prompt engineering, which is really essential for any AI course. So prompt is like how you interact with the AI, what is the language you're going to use it. So that is essential here. So prompt engineering and how to do a rhetorical shot and further input to maximize your rhetoric and assignment, how you can create an assignment in real time, everything you can learn, and then you will be understanding AI concepts and example. And finally you have a project. Okay, thoughts on ethics of AI, current faculty perception of AI. So these are all the research topics which you have to just do it and upload it. So this is what in the basic. So here in the basic you will understand everything about AI, how to write the prompt, how to get involved in yourself involved into AI, and you will be exploring various things. And after this, you'll be diving into the AI for intermediate. It's like AI for educations, and this is an intermediate level course. Once you have completed the basic level of course, you will be coming diving into the intermediate. But there is no prerequisite. For example, if you already know what is AI and you don't want to understand how does prompt engineering, how to do these things, you can directly jump away to this particular AI for education intermediate level. Okay, so this is a 5 hours course. Scroll down to see the module. You can see this is the introduction module. Here you can see that AI for education. You will be understanding cultivating proper conversation with AI assistant, middle school example, high school example, college example, and then you will learn all these things with a small Q&A. Okay, so this is an another online course. This is a self-paced course which will take you 5 hours to complete. It's not like you have to take this 3 weeks. Okay, so if you can allocate your 5 hours today, then you can complete it. If you wanted to allocate only half an hour today, then probably you can complete it within 10 days. Okay, so if like based on your availability you can do it. That is what this flexible schedule. Okay, and coming to the next part, which is advanced AI for education, which is advanced level. So even for this, there is no prerequisite like you have to complete basic, intermediate, and then only come to advanced. So it's all about your thing. Like if you are familiarized with the basic AI and you don't want to go with any intermediate level, yes, you can directly jump away to the advanced level. So here you can see we have two modules. So in the first module, they'll be covering like how to do your Bloom's taxonomy. It's really required. And AI flaw, how you can overcome the AI flaw, and how to create an interactive assignment, critical thinking assignments, AI for collaboration, humanities, and everything. Create a collaborative assignments wrap up and everything. Okay, so everything with a proper cheat sheet, it's a chat example, proper Q&A. You will be completing this with an assignment. Everything is a handpicked for you from Coursera. Okay, so these three courses will definitely help you to understand how you can utilize AI for education. And now, if you wanted to apply for free, so for here you can see you have this one, enroll for free. But if you just go ahead and click this enroll, okay, let me just go ahead and click this enroll for free. So what happens? It is telling me to purchase the course or else you can audit. Okay, what is the difference? If you want certificate, okay, then you have to purchase this or else you have to audit it. Okay, auditing in the sense you can access all the course material to get the knowledge, but you cannot complete the grading and you cannot get the course, like you cannot get the certificate. But how can I get the course for free and I want the certification as well? So here you can see there is an option called financial aid. Yes, before all these things, you have to first go ahead and create a login account here. Okay, if you are using it for the first time, there will be option to sign up. Sign up there. Complete information about how to do all these things is given here. Coursera paid courses for free. Okay, you can watch this. First step. The second thing is like you can just click on this financial aid available. So you can see which one. So you have to get the financial aid one by one, course by course. If you want to get the basic course, so just go ahead and click on this financial aid. They will be taking 16 days to be reviewed. Okay. Click continue to the application and then here you can give the information, all the details you can submit it here. Okay, so they'll be asking few questions like why you're applying for the financial aid, what is your education qualification. Okay, only they are accepting 10 open applications. Okay, so one of 10 open applications are there. What is this? You can just go ahead and check it. Okay, after submitting your 10th application you won't be able to apply financial aid. So for one person only 10 applications are possible. Okay, so you can submit it here. So which one, what is your education level and what is your annual income? You can fill your annual income here. Part time, you have to tell the reason. You have to just give I review my application and then next, and they'll be asking few more questions. You have to submit it. Okay, so be sure that they will accept only 10 application from one account. So choose your course wisely. Okay, if you feel like I want only the advanced level course certification but I will just learn what is all these things, then just go ahead and audit the course, learn the concepts of the course and then do the advanced level. Okay, these three courses will be a game changing courses for all the educators. If you have any queries related to your certification, your research, your career, whatever your technical, please do not hesitate to schedule a call with me. I'll be happy to help you. Okay. So that's all about the today's session. You can join our educator WhatsApp channel. The link is there in the description. Please click that and join our education channel. I'll also give that in the link. Okay, so the link for these courses is there in the pinned comment section. You can also find it, and please join our WhatsApp channel, which will be useful for you. And thank you. Take care. Bye bye. I'll meet you soon with the next exciting video. Take care.